Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove rust from your bike. As you can see here, this is the rear back wheel of a bike, and all of this here is just pure rust. And I'm gonna use a simple hack just to get rid of this rust by using, normal kitchen vinegar or distilled vinegar that you normally use in your kitchen to do whatever you're doing. Right, so basically what I will be doing is just to put the vinegar in a pot, and then just to add the vinegar in the pot and then submerge all of this, and all of this should be removed by tomorrow. So this is the pot that I'm just going to add the vinegar in. As you can see, I'm going to throw all of this because I want everything to be fully submerged in the vinegar. So I've submerged all of that now in the vinegar, and what I'm going to do is to leave it overnight. Definitely tomorrow all of that rust will go. I'm working on, you can see here, the chain was just like the bike. This bit is done already. It's just that I don't know how to take the chain off the bike, so I've only submerged part of it. This part was all rust, but as you can see, it's not like dark. All of that rust is gone. You can see all that rust is gone up into the solution here, which is just pure kitchen vinegar. 4 hours has passed, and I'm gonna check if all that rust on this bike bike wheel cassette has been gone. So I'm gonna take this up. Wow, now look at that. All of that rust is gone. You can see everything come off here in the liquid. Wow, so a little bit of residue here and there, but all I'm gonna do now is just to wash that off. So if you have a rusty bike or anything rusty and you need to get rid of that rust, I reckon a good way of getting rid of this rust is just to put some vinegar, submerge it in some vinegar, and that will do the trick. Like my video, please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.